Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, English with Me. You're watching English in 5 minutes.
I'm Mary, and if you've ever felt confused about how to greet people in English, you're not alone. Today, in just 5 minutes, you'll master 3 essential ways to say hello in English. We're talking about formal greetings, informal greetings, and casual greetings. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which greeting to use in every situation. Whether you're meeting your boss, talking to a neighbor, or hanging out with friends. Listos? Let's get started. First up, formal greetings. These are for professional situations, meeting someone important, or when you want to show respect. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Listen to the difference. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Now, here's when you use them. Good morning. Hasta las 12 del mediodía. Good afternoon. Desde las 12 hasta las 6 p.m. Good evening. Después de las 6 p.m. Imagine you're meeting your new boss at 9 a.m. You say,
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. Nice to meet you. Good morning. Nice to meet you.
perfect for professional situations. Now let's get informal. These are perfect for neighbors, acquaintances, or people you know but aren't super close to. The classics are,
Hello. Hi there. How are you? Hello. Hi there. How are you?
here's the difference with formal. You can use these any time of day. Picture this. You see your neighbor walking their dog. You wave and say,
Hi there. How are you today?
or maybe you're at the grocery store and see someone from work.
Hello. Nice to see you here.
The key? These sound friendly but not too personal. Perfect middle ground. And now let's get casual. These are for friends, family, and people you're comfortable with. Ready? Here we go.
Hey, what's up? How's it going? Hey, what's up? How's it going?
You see your best friend at a coffee shop,
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
or your little brother comes home.
Hey there, what's up, buddy?
Quick tip. What's up and how's it going are questions, but people usually just say hey or good back. No need for a long answer. These show you're comfortable and the relationship is close. All right, let's practice. I'll give you a situation and you choose the right greeting. Ready? Situation 1. Meeting your doctor for the first time at 2 p.m. What do you say? If you said,
Good afternoon, doctor.
perfecto. Situation 2. Your friend texts you to hang out. You see them and say,
Hey, what's up?
excellent. So remember, formal for professional situations, informal for people you know but aren't super close to, and casual for friends and family. Now I want you to practice. In the comments, write your favorite greeting and tell me when you'd use it. Next week, 3 ways to say goodbye. because knowing how to leave a conversation is just as important as starting one.